How to redeem JD gift card. If you've got a JD gift card and want to know how to redeem it, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of using your JD gift card to make a purchase online or in store. So let's get started. First things first, head over to JD Sports website at www.jdsports.co.uk, or you can also open the JD Sports app on your phone. Now what you need to do is browse the website or app and pick out the items you'd like to purchase. Once you've simply found the selections, simply go to your cart. Let's say we like this, simply click on add to basket. Now simply click on continue to checkout. Now when you try to check out, you'll see an option to enter your payment details. Look for the gift card section. Here you can enter the unique code from your JD gift card. Make sure to enter the code exactly as it appears. This might include letters and numbers, so double check it. Once you've entered the code, simply click apply and your gift card balance will be deducted from your total. If the card covers the full amount, great. If there's any remaining balance, you can pay the difference using another payment method like credit card or PayPal. Now that your gift card has been applied, simply complete your purchase by entering your delivery information and choose your preferred shipping method, and simply click on place an order. And that's it. You've now successfully redeemed your JD gift card.